Hey guys, my name is That Quiet Kid, and today we are going to do day 12 of Advent of Cyber 2021. So let's start up this machine and connect to our Tryhackme VPN first of all. Command is simple, open VPN and your configuration file, press enter and let's see. Before we begin, we suggest you that start this attached machine which we have done. Grinch Enterprises has been leaving traces of how their hackers have been accessing data from the system. You have found a unique server they use. We need your help to find out what method they have been using to extract any data. So we have noticed that machine IP is generating unusual traffic. We highly suspect that Grinch Enterprises are using it to access our data. We'll use Nmap to discover the services running on their servers. So let's wait for the machine to boot up and then we will run our nmap ping scan. It is actually not a ping scan. In ping scan we have dash sn flag, but here dash pn flag is usually treats every port as an open port. I can show you. Let's type in nmap and here you will see dash pn and dash sn. Here is the dash sn, which is the ping scan, which disables port scan and only pings the system. And we have dash pn, where is that? Yes, treats all hosts as online. So there is a difference between sn and pn flag. So the machine has started, so let's run our nmap scan. Yes, initialization sequence completed. We have connected to the Tryhackme VPN, nmap dash pn and the ip. Let's see what is our first question. For example, nmap this scan to for the scan to work correctly, how many tcp ports are open? So our first question is how many tcp ports are open. So let's increase the verbosity. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ports open. Okay, network file system is a protocol that allows the ability to transfer files between different computers and is available on the many systems including MS, Windows and Linux. Consequently, NFS makes it easy to share files between various operating systems. So we have NFS here. What we have to usually do is mount that directory into our own machine, and after that we can access it. In the scan result you received earlier, you should be able to spot NFS or mounted depending on whether you use dash SV option. With the nmap, SV is service version detection, but we haven't run it. We simply ran a pen scan, but we can see that there is a port NFS running on 2049 port. So this is the port number for NFS. Press enter, and now that we have discovered an NFS service is listening, let's check what files are being shared. We can use this show mount dash e, which is export shows the NFS servers export list and the IPs. Press enter and we see few shares. We have share, admin file, my notes and confidential. We have three everyone and one no one. I guess it is excess maybe. So let's see. Now you can see in the terminal output we have two shares and my notes. After you have started the attached machine, use the attack box terminal to discover the shares on. We have discovered the shares by using our own callie machine instead of the attack box. How many shares did you find? We have found 4 shares. How many shares show everyone? I guess 3 shows everyone and 1 show my notes. So let's try 3. Let's try to mount the share we have discovered. We can create a directory on the attack box using make directory mkdir. It is a command to make directory and then mount a share of our choice. So it is telling us to let's make a directory. We will make a directory and call it help. Okay, and let's paste it in. Let's our it was help. Let's see. Okay, what do we see? We see nothing. And ms mount.nfs access denied by server while mounting this share. So we cannot mount this share, and it is We can see that the mounting has failed. ms my notes is not public and requires specific authentication mechanisms that we don't have access to. Let's try again with the other folder share. So let's do this again. Type share and let's see. Okay, what do we see? We see nothing. Let's move on. There are two text files in this folder after mounting, so we can use a nano text editor to view it, or we can use something quicker such as less file. Less file is what it, I guess, shows you a bit part of the file. I guess the opening part, maybe. I'm not sure, but maybe the opening part. Let's see. Cd into help and let's see. Do we have two files? I hope we have. Yes, we have mounted. Yes, we can see these two files are present. And what file do we have to find the contents of? We have to find the title of file 2680. So what was the command? It was less and 26 something. Press tab for autocomplete, press enter, and we see the title as meditations. So let's type meditations and press enter. It seems that Grinch Enterprises has forgotten their SSH keys on our system. On one of the shares contain a private key used for the SSH authentication. What is the name of the share? We will have to find out. Exited, I guess WQ to exit. Yes, we have exited. And let's go back. Let's make a directory help one and mount another share. Now let's we have done share admin files, I guess. No, I have done my notes. Let's try confidential one. Okay, confidential, is it correct? Yes, it is. It was help one. Press enter and hopefully we can mount this share as well. Now cd into help one and ls. Let's see, have we mounted this share? Yes, we have a ssh directory. So let's cd into ssh and the share was confidential. Press enter and we can find the md5 sum using the command md5 and the file name. Let's ls and it must be id underscore rsa and the file is this. Press enter and copy it. We can calculate the md5 sum of the file using this command. What is the md5 sum of id underscore ss? So that completes our day 12 of advent of cyber 2021. So that's it for this video and thank you for watching.